I am Ashwin Kandoy. I am one of the co-founders of Winjit Technologies, an IT services company based in Nashik. We started Winjit approximately 10 years back. Over a period of time, from being a bootstrapped startup, it has grown to become the largest IT services company in Nashik with customers across 40 countries.
We started as any other IT tech services company, and today we are one of the top 10 app development companies in the country. We aim to be top in the country in the near future as well.
Winjit started the company providing services to customers across the globe. Being a company based out in Nashik, where there is absolute no ecosystem present in Nashik, it was the most difficult job to think about being in the product space. And the app story actually allowed us to enter in the product space. Gradually, we have done development all across all platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, and all platforms. We were touching approximately 10 million downloads 2 years back, and data management, infrastructure management, load management was getting a critical problem for us.
The moment we had to scale up, you have to talk about increasing the infrastructure in a big way, which was very difficult.
We started talking to people at Microsoft. They introduced us to Azure. They showed us how easily can we scale up our business without thinking about infrastructure. Today we are sitting on approximately 50 million downloads, and we have approximately 2 million active users across our mobile apps. And can you believe we don't have a single server on premise in our systems, but everything is managed off backend of Azure using multiple services of Azure.
One great example I would like to quote for what we did for one of the top media houses in the UK, which was using the content delivery network of Azure for delivering online gaming for MBA students. So instead of trying to spend a ton of money on caching everything at different locations, we used the CDN network of Azure.
Azure is primarily the backbone for any of our technology solutions, be it any POC or technology innovation which we have to do, wherein we require any sort of infrastructure. We depend on Azure.
We had a client, and we wanted to send approximately 3 million notifications in a single day. If we had to build that infrastructure or even envision building that infrastructure, it would have taken us months of planning, months of testing. While in case of Microsoft Azure, we were able to do that within a single day, up the infrastructure, deliver the service, and down the infrastructure.
So to all the developers, I would only suggest Microsoft Azure because the amount of scalability and the reusability of the entire engine is so easy that it takes a lot of efforts less compared to the other technologies.
Microsoft Azure actually helped us double the number of apps we could do at any given point of time with the same set of resources.
Our thought process was limited. What we could think was only think in a particular region. What Microsoft Azure allowed us to was think beyond that. We want to grow at 10x in next 3 years, and I think it can only be possible if we have the right support from our partners like Microsoft.
We develop apps on Azure.